Welcome to Auto TurboWheels. The 2026 BMW 7 Series has officially arrived, and it's not just an update, it's a revolution in luxury, power, and technology. When you think of flagship sedans, the 7 Series has always set the standard, and the 2026 model pushes that standard into the future with jaw-dropping design, next-gen tech, and performance that blurs the lines between executive comfort and exhilarating driving. Let's start with the design. The new 7 Series commands attention with its massive kidney grills, slimmer than ever LED headlights, and a redesigned rear end that oozes sophistication. The presence is undeniable. It's big, bold, and beautiful. BMW has found a perfect balance between heritage and innovation. The 2026 version is longer and wider than ever before, giving it a presence on the road that's almost limousine-like. Whether you're pulling up to a business meeting or cruising on the highway, this car looks like it belongs in a futuristic James Bond movie. Under the hood, the 2026 7 Series offers a variety of powertrains, from the smooth and efficient inline-six to the powerful V8 in the 760i, and even the all-electric i7 variant. There's a 7 Series for every kind of driver. The V8 version is particularly noteworthy, producing well over 500 horsepower and propelling this luxury cruiser from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. Let that sink in, a full-size luxury sedan moving like a sports car. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system comes standard on most models, ensuring that power meets control in every driving condition. Inside the cabin, it's a technological masterpiece. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's curved display, a seamless digital unit that combines a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. It runs on the latest iDrive 9 system, which is faster, more intuitive, and fully integrated with voice commands, gestures, and even eye tracking in some trims. The materials are top-tier leather, real wood, crystal controls, and even options for cashmere. You don't sit in the 7 Series, you experience it, but the real magic happens in the backseat. BMW knows many 7 Series buyers prefer to be chauffeured, so they've gone all out with executive rear seating. You get reclining chairs with massaging functions, heated and cooled surfaces, and even an optional 31-inch 8K theater screen that folds down from the roof, turning the rear cabin into a mobile cinema. Add in the 36-speaker Bowers and Wilkins Diamond sound system. And it's not just luxury, it's sensory overload in the best way possible. Driving the 2026 BMW 7 Series is a surreal experience. Thanks to air suspension and adaptive dampers, the ride is buttery smooth. It soaks up potholes and imperfections like they don't exist, yet when you take a corner at speed, the car remains composed and balanced. This is not just a soft luxury car, it's engineered for people who still love to drive. The rear wheel steering improves maneuverability in tight spaces, and at highway speeds, it helps stabilize the car for effortless cruising. BMW has also taken sustainability seriously. The plug-in hybrid variant boasts a much larger battery than before, giving you more electric-only range than ever, perfect for short commutes with zero emissions. And if you go for the i7, BMW's all-electric version of the 7 Series, you get cutting-edge battery tech, rapid charging, and a whisper, quiet ride that's hard to believe until you feel it. Safety and driver assistance tech are also top tier. With adaptive cruise, lane keeping, 360-degree cameras, automatic parking, and even limited hands-free highway driving, the 7 Series feels like it's already halfway to being autonomous. The system is smooth and unobtrusive, adding confidence, without taking away control. In a world where the line between luxury and technology is constantly being redrawn, the 2026 BMW 7 Series stands out as a true masterpiece. It's more than just a car, it's a statement. Whether you're drawn in by the opulence, the performance, the technology, or the sheer road presence, there's no denying that BMW has created something extraordinary. The 7 Series isn't just keeping up with the future, it's helping define it. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate flagship sedan, The 2026 BMW 7 Series might just be your perfect match.